In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to effortlessly generate and download audio files using ElevenLabs. Whether you need them immediately or want to retrieve them from your history, I've got you covered with clear and easy to follow instructions. Let's dive right in. First, let's talk about generating your audio file in real time. Start by entering your desired text into the input box, and it's as simple as typing or pasting whatever text you need converted into audio. Once your text is set, locate and click the Generate button. The system will then begin to process your request and create an audio file based on the text you provided. When the audio is ready, you will see a download icon. It's shaped like a downward arrow, popping up in the bottom right corner of your screen. This is your cue that the audio file is ready for download. Simply click on this icon, and just like that, the file will be saved to your computer. It's a quick, seamless process, perfect for when you need to grab your audio instantly. Now, what if you want to download an audio file that you've previously generated? No worries if you didn't download it at that moment. You can still access and download your past projects efficiently from the History feature. To do this, you need to log into your ElevenLabs account. Once logged in, look to the sidebar and click on the option that says Text-to-Speech. On the right side of the ensuing screen, you'll find the History tab. This is where all your previously generated audio files are stored. Simply browse through your history to locate the specific audio file you want to download. Once you've found your file, look for the download icon next to it. Clicking this icon will present you with a couple of options for file types. Generally, you can choose between formats like MP3 or WAV, depending on your preference or requirement. Select your desired file type, and your file will begin downloading to your computer. It's as straightforward as it sounds. And there you have it. Whether you're creating audio files on the fly or retrieving them from your history, using ElevenLabs' text-to-speech feature is both efficient and user-friendly. By following these steps, you can ensure your audio needs are met with precision and ease. Thank you for joining me today, and I hope this guide makes your audio file generation a breeze. If you have any questions or need further guidance, feel free to reach out. Happy audio creating!